Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing medieval ribs.
Medieval ribs? I mean, what are you even talking about?
Root vegetables and ribs. Let's make it medieval. All right, let's at it.
First things first, clean, wash, peel, slice up, and organize all your vegetables. Prep is everything. Now for the glaze, olive oil, vinegar, molasses, cumin, little cayenne pepper, garlic of course, and voila. Okay, you got your roasting pan and rack set up, fennel, onions, potatoes, and you want to sort them all out, of course. Carrots, you can just dump those in. Beets, garlic, radishes, and then, of course, we're going to put the meat down, which is nice and dry. Tuck it in on both sides, and then put the glaze on. Of course, use your paintbrush. And then it's going to be going into the oven, 475 for 20 minutes. After the searing process is over, turn your oven down to 315 and start basting it again. And then after an hour and 15 minutes at 315, baste it once more, and then back into the oven again. Same thing, 315, hour and 15 minutes. And then, of course, we're going to put down a bed of greens and make a little Greek salad. Spinach, olive oil, vinegar, pepper, salt, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese. Okay, now we're ready to go. Plate up your roasted vegetables, root vegetables. Cut up your ribs, throw them on, and get ready to serve. And then last but not least, glaze them up and get ready to eat.
Greek salad. Root vegetables. Were they beautiful?
Garlic molasses glaze. Yeah. Garlic molasses glazed ribs over roasted root vegetables and a Greek salad. Talk about medieval. Okay, people, make it happen. We'll see you next time.